Dear fraternal colleagues, we invite you to our 14th International Conference on Reimagining Business Dynamics, Digital Transformation in Disrupted World.
We all know that digital innovation is required today in organization for data-driven decision making, to scale up the business and to reduce labor costs as well as to increase employee productivity.
The various sub-themes of the conference ranges from digital innovations to marketing innovations to artificial intelligence, machine learning and other digital disruptions.
The overall competitive scenario of these markets, they are like pretty much turbulent. Under the title Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning and Business Analytics, this is the track that will focus on how artificial intelligence and your disruptive technologies, they are like changing the organizational dynamics.